Greetings from TEKVOX. I'm Jim Reinhart and happy to join the discussion on single pane AV management. I'm assuming the HETMA attendees know that a TEKVOX drop-in is a complete classroom or conference room built, programmed, and tested in our factory before being broken down for packing and shipping. What many might not know is that the remote management system is built in and ready to go. We've been doing this for quite a while and have both on-prem and cloud-based management tools. We're working with Excite to move our next generation cloud to their ecosystem, and we're excited to find so many other Pro AV companies rushing to do the same. So we're here to talk about unified monitoring of a multi-vendor system, right? I have heard no mention of control or management, which are also important and can be quite difficult. I'm going to leave some of that for a later time, but you're welcome to read about it in our technology white papers. I've heard experience defined as the sum of your mistakes. TEKVOX is very experienced in the remote management of systems containing important third-party elements like Yamaha's Adesia array microphone. Some things that we've learned include that you have to have a hierarchy in your system. Not everyone can or should be the boss. Our TechMonitor control system is designed to be the network gateway into a room and to represent or parent numerous child devices in the room. To do this, we've created some slick technology that allows us to rapidly import the control schema of a third-party device into our control and monitoring environment, and to easily create a low-resource, real-time link with third-party devices like DSPs, intelligent mics, AV controllers, and so on. The net result of this is that the third-party devices simply appear to be an extension to the native technology in the room. Finally, we learn to prioritize investment versus customer value proposition. We're more easily able to monitor and control heterogeneous in-room system via the scheme that I just defined. But to truly manage third-party components is a Herculean effort when you just consider one aspect of management: firmware updates. Think about the different physical interfaces and different software interfaces across our industry. It's nuts. We do have one hope, and it's the establishment of an ecosystem where device manufacturers make their capabilities available through some standardized method. Well, one ecosystem comes to mind that might work for all three. There are some ifs, but let me touch on what we're doing with Excite. The key motives that brought us Excite include robust security and privacy framework, our ability to build and customize hierarchies, our ability to visualize key performance indicators in real time, and our ability to provide customers a simple tool to capture visuals that summarize KPIs across a period of time. In this discussion, we focus on hierarchy at its lowest level, our ability to attach a parent-child system to the management system. That system can contain components from numerous vendors and still provide at-a-glance remote monitoring and control in real time. So monitoring and control from a single pane. I'm going to predict that we have some mistakes as an industry to make before we wrestle this new Wild West into sufficient order for comprehensive cross-vendor device management to be a single pane event. Before I go, I'd like to show you a real-world classroom example. Some of you in the audience might recognize this, but I'm not naming any names. This is what we call a high-flex level 2 classroom featuring our Tech4 controller gateway that creates a private AV LAN for the classroom and Yamaha's Adesia ceiling microphone. Very manageable system. Thank you for the opportunity.